How can I forward an entire text message conversation to my email?
In this tutorial, we'll show you how to forward an entire text message conversation to your email using an Android device or an iPhone. This can be helpful if you need to save a conversation for reference or share it with someone else.
Can I forward a text conversation directly from my messaging app?
Unfortunately, most messaging apps do not have a built-in option to forward an entire conversation directly to your email. Instead, you will need to follow these steps. 1. For Android devices, export the conversation as a file. 2. For iPhone users, take screenshots of the conversation. 3. Attach the file or screenshots to an email.
How do I export a text conversation on an Android device?
Follow these steps to export a conversation on an Android device. 1. Open your SMS app, e.g., Google Messages. 2. Long press on the conversation you want to export. 3. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. 4. Select Export Conversation or Save as File. The exact wording may vary. 5. Choose a location to save the file. 6. Press Save. Note: some messaging apps do not support this feature. In that case, you can use third-party apps like SMS Backup and Restore to export your conversations.
How do I take screenshots of a text conversation on an iPhone?
Follow these steps to take screenshots of a conversation on an iPhone. 1. Open the Messages app. 2. Navigate to the conversation you want to save. 3. Scroll to the top of the conversation. 4. Take a screenshot by pressing the side button and volume up button simultaneously. 5. Scroll down and repeat the process to capture the entire conversation. 6. The screenshots will be saved to your Photos app. Tip: to make it easier to find the screenshots later, create a new album in the Photos app and move all the relevant screenshots there.
How do I attach the file or screenshots to an email?
Once you've exported the conversation or taken the screenshots, follow these steps to attach them to an email. For Android users, 1. Open your email app, e.g., Gmail. 2. Compose a new email. 3. Tap the attachment or paperclip icon. 4. Navigate to the location where you saved the exported conversation. 5. Select the file and attach it to the email. 6. Send the email to the desired recipient. For iPhone users, 1. Open your email app, e.g., Mail. 2. Compose a new email. 3. Tap the body of the email and choose Insert Photo or Video from the pop-up menu. 4. Navigate to the album where you saved the screenshots. 5. Select all the screenshots and tap Choose to attach them to the email. 6. Send the email to the desired recipient. That's it. You've now successfully forwarded an entire text message conversation to your email. Remember to keep your exported conversations or screenshots organized for easier access in the future.